For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
As lockdown eases, we should focus on supporting...
International travel is about to get a lifeline from the UK government. UK has unveiled plans to allow people from 59 low-risk countries to not have to self-isolate when entering England as of July 10th. The UK has lifted ban in 59 countries, which include Australia, Fiji, French Polynesia, New Caledonia, New Zealand. In Africa, it is Mauritius, Reunion, Seychelles. In Asia, it is Hong Kong, Japan, Macau, South Korea, Taiwan, Vietnam. In Caribbean and Central America, Antigua and Barbuda, Aruba, Bahamas, Barbados, Bonaire, Suraqua, Dominica, Grenada, Guadeloupe, Jamaica, Saint Barthélemy, Saint Kitts and Nevis, Saint Lucia, Trinidad and Tobago. In North America, Saint Pierre and Miquelon. In Europe, Andorra, Austria, Belgium, Croatia, Cyprus, Czech Republic, Denmark, Faroe Islands, Finland, France, Germany, Greece, Greenland, Hungary, Iceland, Italy, Liechtenstein, Lithuania, Luxembourg, Malta, Monaco, Netherlands, Norway, Poland, San Marino, Serbia, Spain, Switzerland, Turkey, Vatican City. Travelers returning to or visiting England from certain destinations will no longer have to isolate for 14 days from July 10th. These are countries where it is now possible to travel if you're in England to those countries and back and not have to quarantine at the end of the holiday. The restrictions apply to all who travel to England by train, ferry, coach, air, or any other route. Arriving passengers from other countries not on the exempt list will still be required to self-isolate for 14 days upon arrival in the UK. The changing FCO advice will not apply to countries that are deemed high risk, such as the United States. The following are the countries having open door policy for UK. In Spain, it opened its borders to EU, Schengen area countries and the UK on 1st July, so arrivals into Spain do not need to quarantine. Germany, the visitors from the UK have been allowed to travel to Germany since June 15th. In Italy, visitors from the UK, along with EU nationals, have been allowed entry to Italy since 3rd July. Quarantine is not necessary for UK visitors unless they have been to a country deemed not safe by Italian authorities in the last 2 weeks. In France, visitors from the UK and Spain are supposed to go into a voluntary quarantine. The assumption is that this will be lifted when the UK lifts quarantine restrictions on French arrivals. The list could still change as the government website states that countries may be added. Well, now, what does lifting travel ban mean for UK? Well, quarantine is still in place until July 10th. From July 10th, visitors from travel corridor countries can arrive quarantine-free. This decision only affects England. UK arrivals into other countries might have to quarantine there. Masks are obligatory at the airport and on the plane.
As lockdown eases, we should...
UK government has been facing a lot of criticism for lifting travel restrictions.